Jai Srimannarayana. 38th sloka of 10th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Dando damayatamasmi Nitirasmi Jigishatam Maunam chaivasmi Guhyanam Jnanam Jnanavatamaham. Om. Principle of punishment is Sri Krishna Paramatma. Diplomatic policy is Sri Krishna Paramatma. Silence is Sri Krishna Paramatma. Wisdom is Sri Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now you must respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines, which is going to be the most effective puja for the day. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall realize that wherever the principle of punishment, diplomatic policies are going on, that is because of your higher amount of effulgence there. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall realize that because of your higher spark, the silence and the wisdom is glorified. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. I shall not cry. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukhamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatarajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandhamo 10th Skandham 148th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Yasoda Devi tied Sri Krishna and went inside to take care of her own works. Then Krishna has seen there are two trees, Yamala, Arjuna. In the past life, those two trees were Nalakubara, Manigriva. They are sons of Kubera. They were very wealthy, rich people, and because of all that, they were having so much arrogance. and they used to ignore, neglect everyone. Because of all that, one day Narada Muni cursed them to become 2 trees. Like that, when Sri Sukha Yogindra said, Parikshit Narendra asking, O Maharshi, Kathyatam Bhagavan ye tattayoho sapasya karanam. Please tell me that story in detail. Then Sri Sukha Yogindra saying like this, O Raja, Nalakubara Manigriva, they are the sons of Kubera, and they were servants to Rudra. They used to serve Rudra. Because of all that, because of the wealth, because of strong physique, beautiful physique they have, because of all this, they became so arrogant. And in handsomeness, there is no one who can compete them. And also they were so young. In addition to all this, one day they were drunk. And with all the girls, they were going here and there. Kailasa Upavane Ramye Mandakinyam Madotkate. They were enjoying in the banks of Mandakini river near Kailasa Parvatam. And after some time, Antah Pravishya Gangayam, they got into Ganga Jalam along with the girls to enjoy in that waters. At that time, when they were enjoying a lot without having conscious on their own bodies, at that time, Narada Maharshi came down there. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnena Marasatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 10th chapter, 38th sloka. Dando damayata amasmi nitirasmi jigishatam maunam chaivasmi guhyanam jnanam jnanavatamaham. Dando damayata amasmi nitirasmi jigishatam Maunam chaivasmi guhyanam jnanam jnanavatamaham. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.